So in this video, you'll learn how to send audio messages on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So I'll be showing you how to send audio messages with the Google Messages app as well as the Samsung Messages app. So let's start with the Samsung Messages app. Whenever you want to send audio messages, the first step is to launch it and then ensure that it's your default messaging app. Once it's your default, simply open up the conversation that you want to send the audio message for. From here, you'll notice that whenever you go to type out your message, there's normally this record icon at the very end of the message box. So what you want to do is just tap on that icon, you want to long press on it like this to start recording. You'll notice as you continue long pressing, you'll see a countdown appearing showing how long your audio message is currently going on for. So mine has currently reached 12 seconds, so I can continue speaking until I'm done with my message. Once you're done recording your message, just let go of that icon like that, and then you can just tap on this play button to hear your message all over again. If you feel as if it's not exactly what you wanted to say, you can always just tap on this X icon like that to delete it, and then you can just go ahead and record the message all over again. Once you're done recording, let go, and if you're fine with how it sounds, tap on send, and you can send the audio message to the recipient. If you've decided to use the Google Text Messages app, so first you need to set it as your default. The next step is to tap on the chat you want to send the audio message to. From here, tap on the message box, and all you need to do is simply tap on this record icon here. Once you find this record icon, simply select it like that, and then you can start recording your messages. So to start recording, tap on this record or microphone icon at the bottom middle of your screen. And once you've tapped on it once, you can see your message being recorded. So you can continue recording and even have the option of turning noise cancellation off or on as you record your audio message. If you want to start again, you can just tap on restart and then tap on record and wait for you to continue recording. If you want to stop, just tap on stop and it will stop recording. You can listen to it. If you're fine, you can tap on attach and you can send the recording, or you can just select restart and continue recording all over again. Once you're ready to continue recording, once you're ready to send the message, just tap on stop, select attach, and then all you need to do is just send the message as long as it's supported by your device, and the audio message will be sent to the recipient. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.